Hey, it's Eric here with the Campbell Lending Group at CMG Mortgage. Today I wanted to talk briefly about closing costs when buying and selling a property and who kind of pays for what. So first I wanted to talk about the buyer. The buyer pays for most of the closing costs that are involved in a real estate transaction. Some of those fees included the origination fee, which can be 1 to 1.5% of the loan amount. And that covers basically the cost to process the application, verify documents, and get the loan set up. Here at CMG, we have a flat fee, which can be considerably less than the 1 to 1.5% that you'd be paying with other lenders. So for example, if you had a $300,000 loan, 1%, you're looking at $3,000 minimum just to have them set up the loan for you. Another fee that you're going to be paying for is an appraisal fee. This fee covers the cost of an appraiser going out to the property to verify the value of said property that is in the real estate transaction. Another thing that you'd be paying for would be title fees. Title fees are kind of cut across the board. Those are set up by the title company, so you'd be paying those no matter where you went for your mortgage. And the escrow fees, I wanted to talk about escrow fees. A lot of people consider those to be part of the closing cost. Those are what we call a prepaid fee. That's a fee to set up the escrow account and getting a prepayment for your homeowner's insurance and property taxes, so that way those can be paid when they become due throughout the year. Another thing that I wanted to talk about was sellers. So sellers have closing costs too. The biggest single item that the sellers are going to be paying for is usually the commission that is paid to the real estate agents in the said real estate transaction. The amount that you pay in closing costs can vary from lender to lender, which is why you need to consider the closing costs as well as the interest rates when shopping for a mortgage. The amount that you can expect to pay for in these fees can be listed on what we call a loan estimate, which is basically a breakdown of your payment, your cash to close, and then breaks down the fees that are involved in that cash to close for you. This is a standard document that lenders can provide to you at any time. So if you've enjoyed this short little video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button below or leave us a comment. Thanks.